Hello guys, today we are making a Christmas tree cause Christmas is right around the corner. So all you need to make this beautiful Christmas drawing is a paper, a marker and something to color with. So let's get started. Okay, so now we are making the star for the top of the tree. Now from the edge of the star we are just going to make two curved lines, and when you make the lines you shall make two curved lines in the middle. That will help us to make the second layer. So from those two curved lines you are going to make more two curved lines and more in the going inside. So we can make the last layer. Now the last layer is going to be a little big because we also have to cross the tree. So now it's going to look like a bottom of a cloud on the bottom of the tree, and there you have it, the tree. Now we just going to make the trunk. We are just going to use two small lines for the trunk. But before that, we are going to make the decorations. We are using circles for the decorations, and I shall mention again, you may pause the video and do the decorations with your imagination, or you may keep the video going and copy us. Now we are all done with the circles. Let's get back to the tree. Now it's time for the trunk. Two small lines as I mentioned. And now bows. The bow for the top of the present, because we are also making presents for this tree. Don't these look like bunny ears? Now just a straight line through. It's going to be a rectangle, and with the rectangle from the bow you're just going to make a straight line for the ribbon. You may just keep the same shape going, or you may make the presents different shapes if you may like. Now we are just going to copy the same thing 3 times, one behind the other. Now we are making the third present. After this we are going to start the coloring. I'm so excited. And may I mention before, you may pause the video and do the coloring with your imagination, or you may keep the video going and copy us. Now it's time for the coloring. We are using a light green for the tree. We are using brush pens for the coloring, but you may use any type of colors you have. For example, crayons, markers or oil pastels. After this we are going to color the trunk of the tree, and we are going to color it a dark chocolatey brown. Now we're coloring the trunk. And now we are coloring the star a bright yellow so it will look like it's shining. Now we are coloring the presents. We are coloring one of the presents a bright red. Now we are coloring the present behind it a very bright blue. Now we are coloring the third present a bright yellow. Now we are coloring the ribbons. For the yellow one we are using a bright red. For the blue one a yellow. And for the red one a blue. Like the colors of the presents are just mixed with the ribbons of the other presents. Now we are coloring the ornaments on the tree. Some blue, some red, some yellow, some pink. And some orange. And now we are just doing the bold outlines that we do on every drawing. Now there you have it, a Christmas tree with presents. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and get us to 100,000. If you will, we will post more exciting videos for you all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the like button and the bell button. Bye.